And in this scenario, we are going to have one main door station, one door extension, and then one main indoor, and then one indoor extension, okay? Here's how we're going to set this up. 232, we're going to say this is going to be the main. 233, the extension. 234, we'll put that as the main. 235, we'll have this as the extension. So first, we're going to configure the main indoor station. Okay, so the 232, if we scroll over to the right a little bit, there's the operations section, the remote configuration for each device. Okay, and then we are going to go to network, group network settings. And here is where we're going to point this main indoor station to the main outdoor station. Main door station is where we're going to put in the IP address of that main door camera station. Okay, and that one we said is going to be 234. Okay, so we're going to put in 09.234. Registration password. Typically, I just use the same as what I used for the password for these devices. The registration password, we're going to use the same thing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. Okay, before I do this, let me open up the camera as well. Okay, so this one is the 234. This is what we said is going to be the main outdoor station. If we look at the device management here, this is blank right now. But if we go to our main indoor station, we put this back to 192.168.109.234, we said. Registration password, hit save. Should say saved at the bottom. Go back here, we refresh it. It should automatically populate the indoor station on the device management here. Okay, and then if we look right here, it should say that this device is online, this one we just added. Okay, so this first step right here we already established the communication between the main indoor station and the main camera. The main door camera. And if I were to press the call on the camera right now, should ring this indoor station. Next up, we're going to set up the indoor extension to talk with the main indoor station. The indoor extension, we have it on 233. Okay, so we're going to go to the configuration on the 233. Again, we're going to go to the network, group network settings. The device type here, right? We're going to change it from indoor station to indoor extension. Okay, and then you're gonna need to put a number for this. So like I said, you can have up to 5 indoor extensions. Right now we only have 1 indoor extension, so we're just gonna put the number 1, but if you had other indoor extensions, right, the next one would be number 2, number 3, number 4, so on and so forth. Okay, so we're gonna save it. It's gonna close that right here. Okay, and then we go back to it. I think it's rebooting, let's see. Then go back to it. To the group network settings, it's gonna look a little different. Right here is just gonna have the number 1, and then it's just gonna ask you to put in the main indoor station IP address, okay, which we said is the 232, okay, 9232, and then the registration password 1234 ABCD. Save that. Okay, that's saved. To check if that went through, we're gonna go back to the main indoor station. Okay, under Intercom, there's an extension settings that shows indoor extensions you have connected to this main indoor station. Okay, and the one we just added, the 233, okay, is on this list, is registered. That means it's good to go. So now we've established the indoor extension to the main indoor, okay? So last step, we're just gonna connect the door extension to the main door station. Door camera extension is the 235. Okay, so we're going to go to the configuration on that. To set this door camera as an extension, we're going to go to, I think it's Intercom. Okay, device number, the door station number. Okay, of 0 means main door station mode, right? If we put it on 1, that's going to put this in an extension. Okay, so if we save it, going to tell us we need to reboot. Okay, that's fine. Okay, it's 235. You see is back up. We are going back to the 235 remote configuration. Okay, so door station number one. So right now is on the extension mode. We're going to go to session settings, and we are going to tell it the main door station IP, which is 234.109.234 registration password. We're going to use the same thing, 1234 ABCD. Hit save. Okay, save succeeded. So if we go back to the configurations on the main door station, go back to device management, it should populate that second, they call it sub door station. So you can be sub door station or door extension, whatever you want to call it. It should say online as well. And so if this is online, then we are set, right? We can call from either the main door camera or the door extension camera, and it will ring both of the indoor station.